Dry mop pads collect dust and light debris, while wet mop pads remove spills and ground-in soil. Dry microfiber mop pads are designed with a high surface area of fine fibers that trap dust, hair, and grit through electrostatic attraction and mechanical entrapment, so use them for daily or spot dusting before floors get dirty. Wet microfiber pads are thicker and often have a split fiber or waffle weave that increases water retention and abrasion for loosening and carrying away soils. So, dilute cleaning solution according to manufacturer directions and wring the pad so it is damp, not dripping, to avoid overwetting sensitive flooring. For office cleaning, set a routine where you dry dust high traffic areas first, then switch to a wet pad for sticky spots and baseboard edges. This two-step approach prevents dragging grit into wet areas and reduces streaking. When changing pads between areas, fold the dry pad inward to trap debris or use a transport bucket system so you do not cross-contaminate sanitary zones like break rooms and restrooms. Launder pads after each shift in hot water with a mild detergent and avoid fabric softeners and bleach, which degrade microfiber effectiveness. Dry on low heat or air dry to preserve fiber structure. Keep a small inventory of color-coded pads so staff can quickly select the correct pad type and color for different tasks, and maintain a simple log for pad life cycle so you replace them when fibers begin to pill or lose loft. 3 common issues are grit left behind after wet mopping, which causes haze and scratches, pads that smell or grow mildew, and inconsistent cleaning coverage from overly saturated pads. To prevent grit damage, always pass a dry pad first and shake or vacuum pads outdoors before laundering. For persistent grit, use a swept or vacuumed floor before wet mopping. To stop odors and mildew, launder pads promptly in hot water without fabric softener and ensure they dry fully between uses, and if a pad retains odor after several washes, retire it. To avoid uneven cleaning from too much moisture, wring pads until damp and perform overlapping passes at a steady pace, so solutions break surface tension and lift soils rather than smear them. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects and tools relevant to office cleaning decisions and material choices. We help homeowners find local contractors, and we help contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where members share practical tips and product experiences.